Folks, a couple things to take into consideration when determining the swing of your door. You got to take into account traffic flow. An outswing door, an inswing door, typically inswing doors into bedrooms and baths. The thing that you have to be a few steps ahead on is if you're doing electrical work, placement of your light switches. If we have a light switch in this location, as I'm entering the room and I'm flipping a light switch, typically that door is going to go away and to the right. Or if it's an outswing door, light switch here, I'm pulling that door this way, so I'm not covering any light switches. Or if they're switching on the interior of the room, the door would typically swing away from the interior light switches. Take that into consideration, traffic flow. It's real easy. It's real easy to determine the handing of the door, as we refer to it. If you stand in the opening with your back against the butt hinges, and this door is traveling in this direction, it's going to be a right-hand door. If I change course and go over here, and this door is swinging to my left, it is a left-hand door. And vice versa. If I come back to this location, this stud, the door is swinging out to my left, it's still a left-hand door. Or over here, swinging in this direction, a right-hand door. So we call it butt to butt. And put your butt against the butt hinges. That door is going to the right, it's a right-hand door.